Hello everyone, Steve here from Tech Toy Tinker and Retro Arena. I wanted to take just a quick 5 minutes or so today to show you J2ME loader. I'm using the Anbernic RG505. It would also work on the 405, VM, basically any of the Unisoc chipsets. I'm pretty sure it would actually work on the RK3566 as well. So basically, J2ME loader here. Because Android can run all sorts of Java code, this kind of creates a sandbox environment where you can load up your jar files and actually run them. So there's a couple things I want to point out that I learned personally while I was going through setting this up. The first one is when you're configuring your controllers, up, down, left, and right is already done. There's no point in trying to reconfigure it. It won't do any good. The second one is 5 is the most commonly used number, followed by 1. So I usually bind 5 to X and 1 to Y. Then I boot the game and see if I'm missing any buttons or not. Generally speaking, though, it should all work on that from most of the games that I've tried. You can also play with the screen resolution, but if you increase it too much, you'll notice that it kind of messes up the picture or it goes a little off the screen, so you want to be careful with that. Also, this app is available on the Play Store, so you can just download it from Google Play and then get your jar files from your old phone or, wherever. Started off a little bit loud there. There's also an option to hide the on-screen keyboard and whatnot. You're not forced to play with it there. It's kind of fun to go back and play some of the old mobile games I used to play on the phone 15 years ago. There's some other interesting ports here too, like NES games and Pokemon games and things like that. Show you a couple more. So on the Nintendo front, there's custom made jar games, and then there's also like NES games. Apparently, I have to map up, but you get the idea. This is a more custom one. Still neat though. It's kind of a neat take on Mario, and also when you get hit, the device vibrates. You get the idea. That game you want a hotkey 7. It's best usually just to boot the game quickly by itself and use the virtual keyboard to see what button does what and then go back and bind them.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So as you can see, there's quite a lot of cool games. There's literally thousands of Java games, so there's all kinds of stuff you can get into and check out. Just wanted to give you guys a quick video showing you that it works and just kind of explain how it works. Long story short, you put your jar files into whatever folder you're going to put them in, and you just click the jar file once you have this emulator installed, and it will automatically launch the emulator and ask you if you want to install it and set it up. Kind of like that, then you just click install. You can configure the input in the settings menu as well. You can disable the virtual keyboard there as well, or make it harder to see. That's about it for this video though. I don't want to keep you guys too long. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.